Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us is Devin McCarthy, Managing Director of the Nasdaq Fund Network. Devin, it's great to see you as always. Welcome back to Trade Talks.
Thanks, Jill.
All right, you got it. And Devin, I know the Nasdaq Fund Network has been working with asset managers and state 529 plans to bring more transparency, awareness, and educational content to the space. I also know a big focus has been registering 529 investment options with searchable symbols on the Nasdaq Fund Network. How has that been going? And what were some of the big milestones in 2021?
Yeah, thanks, Jill. So for 2021 for the Nasdaq Fund Network was really an explosive year of growth for us in the 529 savings plan space. We welcomed 6 new state plans to the network: My 529 in Utah, Scholar's Choice in Colorado, New Jersey's Best College Savings Plan, the Connecticut Higher Education Savings Plan, Tomorrow's Scholar in Wisconsin, and the BlackRock Advisor Sold Plan in Ohio. We also increased the number of investment options registered on the Nasdaq Fund Network by almost 70% and added a total of 555 share classes to the Nasdaq Fund Network in 2021. Today, we have over 12 nationally sold 529 state plans registered with the Nasdaq Fund Network. These plans specifically, Jill, are looking to drive more transparency, searchability, and awareness for the advisors that they serve, and the families looking to save for future educational expenses. For plans that are not currently registered on the Nasdaq Fund Network, the advisors and families saving for educational expenses are somewhat limited in the access and transparency they have to their investments. Our goal at the end of the day is to put 529 savings plans on the same level playing field as stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds, like you said, complete with a searchable symbol.
Amazing. Congratulations to you and the Nasdaq Fund Network team. And it's great to see the reception that you're getting. So what's next for the team this year, and what are you focusing on in the 529 space?
Yeah, so we're actually excited to announce the introduction of the Nasdaq 529 quarterly scorecard. We're taking a creative approach to analyzing the 529 space by looking at the net asset value performance of a given fund over a given quarter. We're simply taking a snapshot of all state plan share classes registered on the Nasdaq Fund Network at the beginning of the quarter and at the end of the quarter. We're not taking into consideration asset allocation, investment strategy, or even style. We're just looking at the top performing share classes. We're looking at the top performing share class price change as a percentage over a given quarter. And Jill, so far we've received very positive feedback from our state plans, and we're looking forward to iterating based upon customer demand.
All right, Devin, it's great to see that the Nasdaq Fund Network is continuing to drive transparency and partnering with these 529 state plans to drive additional advisor and retail awareness into these vehicles. Devin, always appreciate getting to chat with you and all the great things you and the team are working on. Thank you for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.